Good afternoon, all of you. Now let us see today third topic of mathematics, part first, that is a trigonometric function. Okay. So what is the trigonometric function? Okay, trigonometric function. Now in that we are going to see what is the trigonometric equation. Now equation, this is a simultaneous equation we have seen in the 10th standard. What is that? 2x plus 3y equal to 1. ठीक है ना? Now it is the same thing, trigonometric equations. So the equation in which trigonometric functions are involved, it is known as trigonometric equations. ठीक है ना? Means what? Just like 5 sine theta, ठीक है ना, plus 3, it is equal to 16 or 25. So in this equation, sine theta it is there. Sine theta. So trigonometric functions एखाद्या equations मध्ये involved आहे. Trigonometric functions एखाद्या equation मध्ये involved आहे, उपस्थित आहे, present आहे. त्या equation ला आपण trigonometric equation. आता trigonometric functions कोणते कोणते आहे? Sin theta, cos theta. Yes. How many functions are there? There are 6 trigonometric functions: sine, cos, cosec, sec, tan, cot. So these are the 6 trigonometric functions which are involved in the equation. So that is known as trigonometric equations. That is known as trigonometric equations. Now sine theta, it is equal to 1 by 2. This is the trigonometric equations. This is the one equation in which trigonometric function is involved. ठीक है ना? So next one, it is a tan theta, it is equal to 2. So there is an involvement of the trigonometric function. Tan theta, sine theta, just like 5 cos theta, it is equal to 5 cos theta plus 5, it is equal to 20. So therefore this is also a trigonometric function because trigonometric equation, because there exist a trigonometric functions. ठीक है ना? So what is the trigonometric equations? An equation involving trigonometric function. एक असेल किंवा मग 2 पण असू शकतात. 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta, it is equal to 1. Function or functions is called trigonometric equations. So I can give you the example, that is a sine theta, it is equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta equal to 2. What is third one? It is a 6 sine theta plus 2, it is equal to 18. So in this is the trigonometric function. These are the trigonometric equations in which trigonometric functions are involved. So this is the definition for trigonometric equations. Now, what is the solution of trigonometric equation? What is the solution of trigonometric equations? Now see here, in the 10th standard we have seen the simultaneous equation. What is that? Suppose 3x plus 3, it is equal to 9. ठीक है ना? This was one equation. Now how to solve this? So 3x, it is equal to 9 minus 3. 3x, it is equal to 6. So x equal to 6 by 3, it is equal to 2. So what is this? So this is called solution of simultaneous equations. This is called solution of simultaneous equations. ठीक है ना? Now similarly, what is the trigonometric equations? ठीक है ना? So therefore sine theta equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. ठीक है ना? sin theta equal to 1 by root 2. किंवा sin theta equal to 9, sin theta equal to 1. Suppose this is one equation. So what is the solution of trigonometric equation? It is the as similar as we have seen for solution of simultaneous equation, x equal to 2. So what is the variable here? X. What is the variable here? Theta. What is the variable here? Theta. So therefore sine theta equal to, so one sine 90, sine 90, ठीक है ना, sine 90, sin 90 ची व्हॅल्यू 1 असते मित्र, ठीक आहे ना. सो देयरफॉर व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू फॉर थीटा? व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू फॉर थीटा? 90 degree. Theta equal to 90 degree. So therefore we are getting the value for variable. Here also we are getting the value for variable, that is x equal to 2. Here we are getting the value for variable, that is theta equal to 90 degree. So this is called solution of trigonometric equation. This is called solution of trigonometric equations. Yes. So what is the solution of trigonometric equation? The value of variable in a trigonometric equation. This is the trigonometric equation, sine theta equal to 1. The value of a variable in a trigonometric equation which satisfies the equation is called a solution of trigonometric equation. So which satisfies the equation theta equal to 90 degree. Why? Because एखादी थीटाची व्हॅल्यू प्रॉपर व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला भेटली. थीटा इज व्हॉट? व्हेरिएबल. So that is called trigonometric, that is called solution of trigonometric equation, theta equal to 90 degree. So this is the solution of a trigonometric equation is called principal solution if theta is greater than or equal to 0 but less than 2 pi. Okay, so this is called as principal solution. Now, so therefore what is the example I have given? Pi by 6, theta equal to pi by 6, theta equal to pi by 4, theta equal to pi by 3. ठीक है ना? Theta equal to pi, theta equal to pi by 2. So these are the principal solutions. Now suppose 2 पाय म्हणजे किती मित्र? 360 डिग्री. ठीक आहे ना. Suppose 5 pi by 3, ठीक है ना? 5 pi by 6 suppose. Okay. Now, what is the pi by 6? Pi by 6, it is a 30. So 30 into 5. Yes. So this is also principal solution. 5 pi by 6, it is also a principal solutions. Okay. Now suppose in your book it is given 13 pi by 6. So pi by 6 it is pi by 6 it is a 30. So 30 into 13. So it is a 390. So it is a greater than 2 pi. So therefore 13 pi by 6 is a solution but not a principal solution. It may be general solutions but it is not a principal solution. So that is the definitions. ठीक है ना? What is the principal solution? A solution of trigonometric equation is called principal solution if theta lies in between 0 and 2 pi. So that is called principal solution. That is called principal solution. Now some examples. Let me give you some examples how to find out the principal solution. ठीक है ना? Suppose sin theta it is equal to 1 by root 2. What is the sin theta? It is a 1 by root 2. ठीक है ना? So therefore let us find out the principal solution. Sin theta it is equal to 1 by root 2. So sin pi by 4 ची व्हॅल्यू किती असते मित्र? 1 by root 2 असते. ठीक है ना? pi by 4 ची व्हॅल्यू किती असते? 1 by root 2. So therefore what is the value for theta here? Pi by 4. So theta equal to pi by 4. So it is called as principal solutions because it is less than 2 pi and greater than 0. So therefore theta equal to, what is the principal solution of this? Pi by 4. एकच व्हॅल्यू असते का? नाही, अनेक पण प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यू ह्या एक किंवा एक पेक्षा जास्त पण असू शकतात. का? आता ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन शिकलो आपण 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये. व्हॉट इज द साइन थीटा? साइन पाय मायनस थीटा इट इज ऑल्सो साइन थीटा. ठीक है ना? साइन पाय मायनस थीटा इट इज ऑल्सो साइन थीटा. So therefore sin theta it is equal to sin pi. What is the minus theta? Pi by 4. What is the pi by 4? Principal solution एकाच्या sin theta equal to 1 by root च्या दोन प्रिन्सिपल व्हॅल्यू असू शकतात. एक किंवा एक पेक्षा जास्त असू शकतात. काय? sin theta म्हणजे sin pi minus theta म्हणजे sin theta. Okay. So therefore what is the sin theta? Sin 4 pi minus pi, that is a 3 pi by 4. So what is the value for theta? Theta it is equal to 3 pi by 4. ठीक है ना? So is this a principal solution? Let us check. So 3 into pi किती असतो मित्र? 180. So 180 upon 4, 90, 45. So 3 into 45. Yes, 135. So 135 it is a greater than 0 and less than 360 degrees. So therefore sin theta equal to 1 by root 2 has two principal values. ठीक है ना? So find the principal solution of sin theta. So are the pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 are the principal solution of sin theta equal to 1 by root 2. ठीक है ना? Are the principal solution of sin theta equal to 1 by root 2. अशा दोन व्हॅल्यूज आल्या मित्र. सिमिलरली cos theta जर असतं तर इथं काय आलं असतं? दोन व्हॅल्यूज, एक cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू आणि दुसरी cos of 2 pi minus theta it is equal to 1. It is equal to cos theta. Cos theta म्हणजे काय? Cos of 2 pi minus theta. Let me tell you another example. Okay, just a minute. Now suppose cos theta equal to 1 by 1/2, ठीक है ना, cos थीटा इक्वल टू 1/2, ठीक है. सो लेट अस चेक. सो cos of pi by 3, cos of pi by 3 it is equal to 1/2. So therefore cos of pi by 3 किती होतं मित्र, 1/2. So what is the value for theta, pi by 3? So it is a principal solution, it is the principal solution, ठीक है ना, of cos theta equal to 1/2. अजून काय आहे मित्र, यस, cos of theta म्हणजे काय मित्र, cos of 2 pi minus theta. So as it is same, cos of 2 pi minus theta म्हणजेच काय, cos theta. So let us write down cos theta, it is equal to cos of 2 pi, cos of 2 pi, what is the value for theta, theta equal to pi by 3, pi by 3, ठीक है. So therefore cos of theta it is equal to cos of 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi, so 5 pi by 3. So what is the value for theta here, theta equal to pi, theta equal to 5 pi by 3. मित्रों हा प्रिन्सिपल सोल्यूशन आहे का चेक करायचं आहे आपल्याला. सो हाऊ टू चेक, 5 इंटू पाय बाय 3 म्हणजे 60, इट इज इक्वल टू 300 डिग्री, इट इज इक्वल टू 300 डिग्री, it is less than 360 years, greater than 0 years. So therefore pi by 3, this pi by 3 comma 5 pi by 3, so ठीक है ना, are the principal solution of cos theta equal to 1/2, are the principal solution of cos theta equal to 1/2. Clear? So these are the some examples I have given you how to find out the principal solutions. We are going to see number of example, don't worry, ठीक है.